Hey guys, what's going on? Scott Barnes here, and I am so excited. Yes, it's been a week since I've done a video. Yes, we're in full swing in beard season, but the best thing about this week is that I get to do a review for you. So it being full beard season, I get emails upon emails upon emails to do reviews for you guys. And the best part about it, I get to choose what I get to review. Now, over the past several years, I have done all of the above when it comes to beard products, oils, balms, butters, companies on end. But there's one product that I have not done that you have requested over and over again, and that is a beard comb. In fact, Aberlite's beard straightener. Yeah, that's right, we're gonna be doing Aberlite's Go Beard Straightening Brush, which I am so excited about because it is a cordless beard and hairstyling straightening brush. This is really important because the last thing that I want to use is something that I got to plug into the wall. I want to take this on my trips. I want to take this on vacations. This is something that probably every beardsman needs to own. So let's open up this package. Let's check out the product. Let's look what it can do, and let's see if it can straighten this mess of a beard. Now, you guys know the drill. We're gonna open this up. We're gonna check out what's inside, kind of go over the details, the instructions, and what we need to do. Then we're gonna throw it over to the bathroom. We're gonna actually apply the beard straightener to this heavy mess of a beard. I have been in full swing in a job right now. Humidity, dirt, grime. Let's get this beard nice and straight and pretty as it should. So let's start opening this up and see what's inside. Now let's check out the packaging and the contents inside. Now, first thing I notice is that obviously it's cordless. The one thing I love, we got the Aberlite with the mustache, pretending that it is for beards. The second thing we got is the back of here. As I will come closer, we've got a breakdown of what it does, all right? We got results, the lightweight, it's cordless, it's travel, it's safe, and the heat. There's a few things that I also like is over here on the side, if you guys can see, it's a voltage of 8.4 DC. Now, for you guys that are not in tune into the voltage and wattages, 8.4 is perfect. 5.4 and below is a low. 11.1 and above is for high car batteries kind of style. So this is a perfect range into the battery realm. So let's go ahead and open up and see what's inside. I'm telling you, I love the packaging. Let's open her up because we got ourselves a winner chicken dinner. Wow. So we got the bristles on the outside, and it looks like we got the heating coils on the inside. We'll turn it up right here for you. We got a 400, a 360, and a 310 Fahrenheit different selections that we can do to apply to our beard. We got the logo. Looks like we have a charger. Let's go ahead and pull this out. Wow, this is so crazy. Looks like we have the power button right in the middle, obviously, which probably will be able to select what different temperatures. Now, when I open these packages, I usually, honestly, 100% do not open them before I like to get the on-screen experience. And for one instant, I thought this was the on and off switch. But in fact, we have a switch here, I think, which is the master control, which is very important. For you guys that don't know or have wives, how often do they call you and ask you, did I leave my hair straightener on? And this is something that's very important because we have a master control switch that turns it off. So it's not sitting there heating up and wasting energy, all right? We've got our charging. Looks like we got a micro USB. And I think it only takes about an hour and a half to fully charge if I read the directions correctly. So all in all, we've got a nice compact Go on the go. So that being said, let's go ahead and flip it on. So we're gonna go and flip it all the way up. And see, like I said, that's what I like. It doesn't turn it on. We have to press the power button to initiate what level of temperature that we want. So let's go ahead and press the first button. So it looks like we have a 310 to start. We'll press it again. Like I said, this is one thing that I like about this product of the Aberlite Go beard brush is that it's very simple and intuitive, all right? And just simply with the touch of the power button, it gives us that selection of what temperature that we want. And of course, we can always switch it off. And that's one big thing that is so important with these straighteners is that we have a master control on the side. That way we're not burning, heating, or we got kids running around, this is the master control. So that being said, let's go ahead. I'm gonna charge this up a little bit. That way we can get a full beard comb and brush straightening experience. So that being said, let's go ahead and plug this in. Now, let's go back to the box and see what else is inside before we plug it in. Now, we have our charger here. Now, oh my gosh, we got a big old box. I wasn't expecting this. Now, what's nice is that the Aberlite fits right here, and then we have a box that I didn't know. This is what I'm trying to say. I'm opening this up as I go. I'm not opening this up predetermined. So we've got a nice wall socket, which I think fits perfectly in the bathroom, to our micro USB. Hey! Wow. It's like a micro USB-C charger. It's not a micro USB. That's a C charger. Even better. That means it's a faster charge when it comes to the plug-in, all right? And of course, we've got ourselves a nice little carrying case for our Aberlite brush for our beard, all right? So like I said, let's go ahead and plug this in. Let's head over to the bathroom and let's straighten this glorious beard out. Now, I know you guys don't like to read instructions. You just go through it. But the one thing I do recommend, read the instructions. Not only does it give you a safety tip, but also gives you a great guide in what you need to use to select for your type of beard. Now for me right here, I'm going to be, so we have the wavy and then we have the beard type or beard condition. So the wavy, not too much straight, not too much. So I'm gonna go right in the middle, same with damage or less damage. So I'm gonna go in the 360 range. It also recommends, and I recommend because this is due diligence, take a shower, get that beard washed, get it moisturized, because the purpose of a beard straightener is that it's going to take moisture out of your beard to make it straight. So like I said, I recommend, which I'm going to do, is take a shower, we're gonna hop back out, and then we're gonna straighten it, all right? In 3, 2, 1. All right, now that we're out of the shower, my beard's nice and moistened, my body is refreshed from a cleaning shower, and our Aberlite beard straightener is ready to go. Now what's really cool is when you're charging the beard straightener, it has 3 levels which we're using those temperatures, which are our charging status. So you'll have a 1 bar, which is low, a medium bar, which is medium, and the high bar means it's fully charged. So make sure when you do charge it, that is fully charged before use. All right, so that being said, and our Aberlite Go is already charged and ready to go. Aberlite Go. Let's go ahead and turn it on. So a simple flip of the switch. And then, like I said, let's go to this 360-degree heat. Now, the instructions say it takes about a minute or 2 to heat up. So let's go ahead and start feeling these coils. But oh my gosh, not only can I feel it, ooh, I can smell those coils getting nice and warm. So I'm gonna go premature and let's actually start applying the beard brush of Aberlite Go. Ooh, that's nice and smooth. Oh yeah, that's bomb. That feels really nice. Nice and slow. Now let's go on the chin. You starting to see that steam? And then for you guys that got the longer beards, we can go ahead and push out on the sides. Now we are fully in heat mode because we have a solid blinking light. So that's gonna be the indicator that you have reached the temperature. So for right now, I'm gonna go ahead and click it off because it still has that temp. I'm just slowly gonna work it into as well because it still has that heat. Maybe a little mustache action. Now the one thing that shoots out to me with this brush are 3 things. One is that this is compatible with any length of beard. Like right now, I have a shorter beard and I'm kind of going and ending up in that awkward phase where this is starting to grow really long and then we have a nice full beard, which this, the Aberlite Go, can actually attack. So any length of beard, this works well. As you guys saw before, it works with my mustache. Also, I love the fact that it's portable, right? There's no cords attached to this thing. And the fact that we can put this into our duffel bag with no cord, it's a lithium ion, we can take this on the plane with us, is another. And the last thing, of course, is sustainability. This sucker lasts at least 30 minutes. So if you got that long, glorious beard, which I'm going for the month of November, the Aberlite Go is the way to go. So for those three things, this is why I chose this brand to do a review on. So like I showed you before, we have very well surface area coverage. On top of that, we have on the outer rim right here a safeguard. So just a closer look, we have a nice rim edge of just a non-heated coil. And then we have the inner coil, which obviously heats and straightens your beard. So at the end, this is a great entry into the beard straightening world. Very compact, very sustainable, and it works on any type of beards. So let's throw it on the green screen, let's close it out, let's give you that promo code, that way you guys can get your own Aberlite. Wasn't that easy to use? Let's come up, and get a close up. Look how straight the beard is looking. And like I said before, it's very tough and hard in between to find a good straightener for the beard. And as you guys know, as much as I do, I don't really do reviews on straighteners. And it took a long time and the right company to come by, like Aberlite, to show me that this is the product that you guys need to use. It's portable, it's effective, it's long lasting, and it works on any length of beard. So to wrap things up, what a great thing to use for those situations that we all go through. It could be the awkward stage, we could have the wavy beard, everything in between, this can fix. So I love you guys. Check out Aberlite, like I said, in town to the link. Stay tuned for the next video and review for the Aberlite Pocket or Go. So just stay tuned. Love you guys like always. Check me out on all that social media. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the flip side. See ya!